Programming your key fob for a 1997-2006 Nissan Altima is a simple DIY process that synchronizes the fob's radio frequency with your car's ECU. First, ensure your key fob has a working CR2025 battery. Enter your car and close all doors. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Within 5 seconds, press the lock button on your fob. The hazard lights should flash to confirm success. For 2000-2006 models with remote start, also press the trunk button. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and test the fob outside the vehicle. If programming fails, try cycling the ignition 3 to 5 times or check for ECU errors using an OBD2 reader. This method is safe, but incorrect attempts can drain your battery. If programming fails, check the key fob battery first. A weak battery prevents signal transmission. Also inspect for ECU faults, common in vehicles over 25 years old. Use online resources like apps such as OBD Auto Doctor for video guides and ECU compatibility checks. Forums like nissanforum.com report higher success rates with improved tutorials. Programming requires an original or compatible aftermarket key fob. Universal options from keylessride.com cost under $50 and work for Altima models. Follow instructions carefully to avoid locking the anti-theft system. Incorrect attempts can trigger security modes that require professional reset. While AI-assisted apps may simplify diagnostics in the future, the current ignition method remains effective. Consult a professional if you suspect a faulty immobilizer chip.